Meaning of endgame.
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 Endgame. Endgame refers to the final stage or ultimate outcome of a situation or plan. It's the point where all the pieces come together, and there are no more moves to be made. In the context of sports, it's the last critical phase of a game or competition. For businesses, it's the point where they achieve their long-term goals and reach a state of stability. In personal relationships, endgame can refer to the stage where one has achieved their desired outcome, found their lifelong partner, and settled down in a committed, long-term relationship.